Introduction. The content focuses on HTML and CSS, two fundamental languages of web development. Understanding HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and is used to structure content on the web. HTML is the skeleton that gives every part of the web page a meaning and a place. Examples of HTML tags include title, H1 and P, which define the structure of the web page. CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets and is used for describing the look and formatting of a document written in HTML. CSS is used for styling structured content. Examples of CSS selectors include body, H1 and P, with properties such as background color, text-align family, and font size used to style the HTML elements. Key differences. HTML and CSS serve different purposes. HTML creates the basic structure and content of a web page, while CSS controls its layout and appearance. HTML files have HTML extension, CSS files have CSS extension. HTML uses tags to annotate text and create linkages, while CSS uses selectors to style these tagged elements. Tips, tricks, and common errors. Common mistakes include forgetting to close HTML tags and directly styling elements in HTML. It's best practice to separate content from design by styling HTML elements using CSS. Use CSS classes and IDs to style multiple elements at once, or target a specific element. The cascading in cascading style sheets signifies that the order of your CSS matters. The browser gives precedence to the style declared last when there are conflicting styles. Conclusion. HTML and CSS, though different in their roles, work together to create interactive and visually appealing web pages. Effective use of HTML and CSS is a fundamental skill in web development. HTML provides the basic structure for web content, while CSS styles it to be presentable for the end user.